is an acronym often used in business that stands for keep it simple, stupid. And the other day I realized that it's not just business this applies to, it's also relationships. So as guys, I think one of the problems that we have is that we think we need to do all sorts of like crazy things in order to keep somebody's attention or make somebody want to date us. When the truth is, there are some basic fundamental things that if you do them, gentlemen, she's gonna be like literally humping your leg. Yeah, mom, that's what I'm talking about. The first thing that she wants you to do is stop being all weird and hung up on your insecurities and her ex-boyfriend. There's nothing less attractive than somebody that's like super insecure. And if you were hung up on things that you can't change or things that you think she wants that she actually doesn't want, here's the deal, gentlemen, it doesn't matter if her ex-boyfriend was hung like a donkey. It doesn't even matter if you're not. It doesn't matter if he drove a Lambo and you don't. Gentlemen, she is with you. You're amazing. If I haven't told you that enough times and you don't finally realize it, gentlemen, every single dude has insecurities. She broke up with his ass for a reason. She's with you for a reason. That reason is that you're amazing. But if you're all hung up and weird and worrying about things that you can't change or that you think she wants that she actually doesn't want, gentlemen, she wants you. Why? You're amazing. The second thing that she wants you to do is connect with her friends and family. Even if her mom is crazy as hell and her dad's a weirdo and her friends are loco, it doesn't matter. Connect with them. Why? Because it's important to her. And this is something that I found out. I used to be the dude that's like, yo, I'd always talk like trash a little bit about like, oh, your friend whatever, she's such a slut, or oh, your friend whatever is whatever, and your dad is crazy, and I can't believe your mom is such a diva. That went over like a turd in a punch bowl, and I couldn't understand. I'm like, why is she getting so upset? It's true. I was spitting facts. I was like, yo, I'm gonna tell it to you like it is. If you don't see it, then what's wrong with you, right? That didn't work so well. Gentlemen, here's the deal. Regardless of how crazy her friends are or how dysfunctional her family is, it is important to her, just like it should be important to you, that the person that you are with get along with them. And you don't even need to like technically like them, but push down the negativity, right? Just be like, oh yeah, it's okay. And here's the other thing. I don't want you to be like, yo, I'm not going, right? Because that's one of the other things that gets people in trouble, right? They're like, yo, you go do you go hang out with your friends, whatever. I don't like them, so I'm not going to. Gentlemen, you need to be engaged. She wants you to be engaged in her life. And the moment you stop, that's the moment that things start to go bad. The third little thing that I've come to realize makes a huge difference in terms of my relationship happiness and the amount of action I get is letting her know that I'm thinking about her without actually saying it. It's doing small little things that let her know that you consider her, that you think about her. This is something that gets me in trouble once in a while, or it did until I realized, hey, stupid, just do little things that let her know, like picking up around the house, right? Helping with housework. You know, telling her that she looks amazing when she looks amazing, even when she looks frumpy and fucked up. Tell her she looks amazing because it doesn't matter. Next thing that they all, like literally they all want you to do, but sometimes they won't actually say it because they don't want to hurt your tender, precious little feelings because as dudes, we're fragile, is take care of the way that you look. She doesn't expect you to look like Jason Momoa or Alex Costa. She just wants you to look as handsome as humanly possible. Gentlemen, it's simple. It's not complicated. It's Tiege Hanley. Keep it simple, stupid. That was one of the things that we decided when we started this skincare company. Guys don't need 2,700 products. They need a few basic things in order to look amazing. Every day, you need to wash your face. Twice a day to remove the oil, the dirt, the grime that builds up. Twice a week, you need to be exfoliating your face to remove the top dead layer of skin and make sure that those pores are squeaky clean. Every morning, moisturize with a moisturizer that is light, not too oily and greasy so you don't shine, look wet and disgusting with an SPF of 20. At night, before you go to bed, gentlemen, little PM moisturizer to make sure that when you wake up, your face is handsome, sexy, and ready for action. In every Tiege Hanley system, you get this, which is an instruction card that tells you exactly when to use what product, in what order, and even how much. If you're new to skincare, guys, start with the Tiege Hanley Level 1 skincare system. I'm gonna link to it down below, all right? It comes with your four basic core products. But if you're a little bit older, right, or you want to take your skincare fight to the next level, go with the level 2 or 3 system. Level 2 comes with an anti-aging eye cream, which actually fights crow's feet, dark circles, puffiness, and bags. Level 3 comes with the eye cream, but also comes with the anti-aging super serum. This stuff is my personal secret weapon. for looking handsome AF at 45 years old. Yes, I'm 45 years old. Do I look good? Yeah. Why do I look good? Because I take care of my body. I take care of my skin. Gentlemen, Tiege Hanley is the answer. I'm going to link to it down below. That link, like I said, is special. For those of you who go through that link, and while supplies last, you're going to get to choose a 10-ounce body wash for free. Free. Gentlemen, you get to choose whichever body wash you want for free. It's 10 ounces. And the really cool thing, guys, our body wash isn't like anything you've ever tried. Number one, it smells incredible. It foams up amazing, but it doesn't have those bad, harsh ingredients. Because we're a skincare company, we knew that if we were going to develop a body wash, it literally needed to be the best. And so when you use this, you're going to smell amazing, it's going to clean you, but it's going to leave your skin soft, supple, and sexy. Guys, below this video is going to be the Tiege Hanley special link. It is my personal link. Go through that link and sign up. I'm telling you, the one thing that I can guarantee you is that the moment you start taking better care of your face is the moment you're going to start looking better and feeling amazing. The bottom line, gentlemen, Tiege Hanley, our system, the way we've designed it, it works. What I recommend, hit the link down below and go get started today. Like I said, the sooner you start, the better off you're going to be in terms of your face, your handsomeness, and how you look when you're an old dude like I am. Gentlemen, remember, if you hit that link, you're also going to get to choose a 10-ounce body wash, so the two of you can use this together. The next thing that literally like every single spicy senorita wants you to do is don't be a scumbag. Don't cheat on her, don't flirt with other girls, don't try and like hit on and slide into her friends' DMs. Yeah, exactly. Listen, here's the deal. Trust, it boils down to trust and her feeling secure in your relationship. You don't want her looking and snooping through your phone. Pixel. Don't give her any reason to, and I know that you're gonna be all freaking handsome, and that's one of the downsides of using Tiege Hanley. Other people are gonna notice how fucking sexy you look, but the truth is, don't let it go to your head. Do not develop a big ego, and even if somebody comes sniffing around you, be like, yo mama, I'm not interested, because Alpha said don't be a scumbag. The next thing she wants to do is for you not to be boring. Right now, you're like, yo, what does this mean? Do I need to be like super exciting all the time? No, it just means don't sit on the couch. One of the problems that a lot of relationships face is that as you sort of develop and as it progresses, you get a little bit lazy. You stop doing the things that you did in order to get that person to be interested. If you are viewed as fun, if you do fun things, more people are going to be excited to actually talk to you, because we want to be around people that aren't sitting on the couch smoking weed and playing video games. The next thing that they all, literally all of them, want you to do is give them compliments. Make them feel pretty. Gentlemen, here's the thing, right? Once again, once you get comfortable, once you start like getting like comfortable, like, yo, I already got her, we're doing it, whatever, right? You get a little bit lazy. You've got to continue to make her feel beautiful, make her feel special. Now, here's the thing. You're like, yo, I compliment her on like amazing booty and boobies and all that. Well, there are other things that she wants you to notice. Her hair, compliment her hair, and her booty. Gentlemen, two things that are like game over, next level. Now, let's talk about both of these. Her booty, every woman wants to have a nice ass, right? Most women don't have as nice ass as some of these Instagram models. But if you were like, damn, I wanna, yeah, exactly. She's gonna be like, really? My booty? You think it's that nice? Be like, girl, yeah, I wanna, exactly. It works. The next thing that they all want you to do, but won't necessarily admit or possibly not even know that they want you to do it, which is take it slow. This includes being all frisky and pausey when you first meet. Don't try and like sleep with her on the first date. Wait until the third. I'm kidding. Don't worry about it. When it happens, but don't try and rush things, even though I know that you're a handsome ass eager beaver. The other thing that you need to slow down on is all the texting. The amount of text that you send directly correlate to her interest. The more you send, the less interested she is. Which brings us to the final thing that every single woman wants you to do, and that is have your own life. Now, there are certain women that are insecure and weird, and they're like, yo, I don't want you doing anything other than hanging out with me. Those aren't the women I'm talking about. Get rid of her anyway. You need to be with somebody that appreciates the fact that you have your own goals, your own friends, you've got your own life. When you try to mesh or meld, mesh or meld into like one relationship like glob, it never works. You need to have two people being individuals that come together because they choose to be together. These are the relationships that work the best. They're also the healthiest. But if you are somebody that is constantly up her ass, even though it's amazing, it's never going to work. Gentlemen, you are amazing. And if you do these things, guaranteed game over. She's going to be kissing your ass.